Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel Section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. Today we will see a video related to NCERT Solution for Class 10 Geography, Social Science, Chapter 6 Manufacturing Industries. Let's solve textbook exercise. The first question is multiple choice question. Which one of the following industries uses limestone as a raw material? So the answer is cement. Second, which one of the following agencies markets steel for the public sector plants? The answer is SAIL. Which one of the following industries uses bauxite as a raw material? The answer is aluminium. Which one of the following industries manufactures telephones, computer, etc.? The answer is electronic. Second, answer the following briefly in not more than 30 words. First is, what is manufacturing? Manufacturing is the production of goods in a large quantities after processing from raw materials to more valuable products. For example, paper is manufactured from wood, sugar from sugarcane, iron and steel from iron ore, and aluminium from bauxite. Second, name any three physical factors for the location of the industry. So the three physical factors for the location of industries are availability of raw materials, closeness to market, availability of power. For example, jute textile industry is concentrated in West Bengal, as the jute producing areas lying in the Hooghly Basin, and there is cheap water transport for transportation and for processing of jute. Name any three human factors for the location of an industry. The three human factors for the location of industries are labor, capital, closeness to cities. For example, jute textile industry in West Bengal gets cheaper labor from the adjoining states, and Kolkata is a large urban center for banking, insurance and port facilities. Next, what are the basic industries? Give an example. Basic or key industries are the industries which supply the product or raw material to manufacture other goods. For example, iron and steel industries provide iron and steel to other industries as the raw material. Next, name the important raw materials used in the manufacturing of cement. So, important raw materials used in the manufacture of cement are limestone, silica, alumina, and gypsum. Next, write the answers to the following questions in 120 words. First question, how are integrated steel plants different from mini steel plants? What problems does the industry face? What recent developments have led to a rise in the production capacity? So, integrated steel plants are large and handle everything in one complex, from putting together raw material to steel making, rolling and shaping. Mini steel plants are smaller, have electric furnaces, use steel scrap and sponge iron. They have re-rollers that use steel ingots as well. They produce mild and alloy steel of given specification. The challenges faced by the steel industries are high cost and limited availability of cooking coal, lower productivity of labor, irregular supply of energy, poor infrastructure. Recent developments such as liberalization and foreign direct investment have given a boost to the industry with the efforts of private entrepreneurs. Next, how do industries pollute the environment? Industries are responsible for 4 types of pollution: air, water, land and noise. Air pollution is caused by the presence of high proportion of undesirable gases such as sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide and airborne particulate matter. Water pollution is caused by organic and inorganic industrial wastes and effluent discharged into water bodies. Paper refineries and tanneries are the main culprits. Soil and water pollution are closely related. Dumping of waste makes the soil useless for agriculture activities. The pollutant then reach the groundwater through the soil and contaminate it. Noise pollution is caused by industrial machineries and construction activities. Next, discuss the steps to be taken to minimize environmental degradation by industry. The steps taken can be taken to minimize environmental degradation by industries are adopting the latest techniques and upgrading existing equipments to improve energy efficiency, providing green belts for nurturing ecological balance. Particulate matter in the air can be reduced by fitting smokestacks to in factories with electrostatic precipitators, fabric filters, scrubbers, and initial separators. Using silencers for noise generating equipments. Minimizing water usage by reusing and recycling it in two or more successive stages. Harvesting of rainwater to meet water and requirements. Treating hot water and effluent before releasing them in rivers and ponds. Treatment of industrial effluents can be done in three phases. Primary treatment by mechanical means. This involves screening, grinding, flocculation, and sedimentation. Secondary treatment by biological process. Tertiary treatment by biological, chemical, and physical processes. This involves the recycling of wastewater. So this was NCERT solution for class 10th social science geography chapter 6. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.